Hello friends, today we will tell you how to replace universal joints on a drive shaft. This is Prado behind me. I think it's 2010, maybe 9. I already replaced joint shaft cross on a front shaft. Now I am going to do the big one. So first of all, we have to replace the locks. These are the retainers. Like this, you can. I already pulled out 3 pieces. The only one is left. I will show you. Take a screwdriver. I have this special, not so much special. Look, take your screwdriver, just stick it like this, and the lock will come out like this. Then simple. And after that, you don't need any special tools. No need to go to the workshop or lathe workshop. Just pick up your drive shaft like this from here, and you have to hit here. This cup will come out
After removing all locks.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, now 1 2 3. So you can see 1, and now tilt it to the other side. When you are going to hit to this side, be careful with this snipper.
Yeah, you already broke one. Okay. Let's go. Look what he did with the grease nipple. Please show our viewers.
Look, this is what I was talking about. No problem, you can change it.
Then okay.
Like this.
Okay. So by this method they can remove universal joint at home.
Yes.
Okay. I mean not at home, at their garage. Yes, by their self. Okay, you already remove universal joint from shift. He is very professional
clean this,
mechanic. Okay, you need to clean it. Okay.
Clean the surface where the lock sits
Okay.
on both sides.
Do we need to put extra grease in this joint, new joint?
No, there is enough grease inside.
Okay.
Some people put extra grease.
We don't need.
But when you install 3 cups, the
Okay.
extra grease will come out from one end.
Okay.
You will see it's enough
So
grease.
we need
You have to put this end inside
inside. Okay.
like this and come this side.
Any
out.
direction?
No, you can go this, you can go this.
Okay.
But this
I
one-
like this direction. Yes.
Okay. Then
One side first.
let it be straight.
Okay.
Then hits all the sides with smaller hits. When it's halfway in, okay, then go to the side
Opposite side. Okay.
and bring it out a little bit. Not
Okay.
too much, just a little bit.
Okay.
For the needles to come contact with this thing.
Otherwise
Needles
the
will fall out.
fall out. Okay.
Then again hit smaller first. Okay, and after that take like this one, and you see the groove.
Yeah.
Gear
Yeah.
lock.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Now the other side.
Okay.
And after this, check for your choke. Look, it's not moving.
Yes, it's
Then what
very
you have-
hard
you
to
have
move.
pull it.
Okay.
Right?
After putting lock in that,
After installing the locks, you have to hit him 2-3 times
two sides.
to make up some space.
Okay. It will be adjusted itself.
Yes.
Okay. Very good, man.
In some cases, when you install the locks and hit it both sides, it still don't move.
Okay.
Then you have to do what? Remove the lock, grind it a little bit for this thickness. Grind some, make it little bit thin, sorry,
Yes.
and install.
So it will get some space to move. Okay.
And get
So now our viewers, if they have garage, they can do by themselves. No need to go to.
look, the grease comes out from
Yes.
the other end.
Yes.
It's enough grease. You don't have to put anything extra in it.
So brother, if our viewers have garage, they don't need to go to another workshop to install these universal joints. They can do themselves and save money.
Yes.
Okay. Most of workshops go to lathe workshops to install these joints. Oh, very good.
Okay. Now we will find this one and replace this. Look. Do it yourself. Yes.
Any extra comments?
That's how you can replace a universal joint on your drive shaft.
Thank
That's
you.
easy.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Please share and subscribe this video and hit a like.